Welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more app reviews. Today we're exploring Shazam, the legendary app that claims it can recognize any song in seconds. After more than 2 decades, is it still the ultimate music identifier? Let's find out. What is Shazam? Shazam is a music recognition app that allows you to identify songs playing around you. Whether it's on the radio, in a cafe, or a TikTok video, just tap the app, and within seconds you'll know the song title, artist, and more. The app is now owned by Apple, which has further improved its integration with iOS devices. Key features of Shazam: in 2025 lightning-fast recognition, Shazam continues to impress with near-instant song identification. Offline mode. No internet? No problem. Shazam now lets you tag songs offline and identifies them when you reconnect. Integration with Apple Music and Spotify. Add recognized songs directly to your playlists for seamless listening. Lyrics in real time. Follow along with the lyrics as the song plays. 2025 updates. Shazam's AI has been upgraded to recognize more obscure tracks and remixes, ensuring even niche music doesn't escape its radar. Pros of Shazam: ease of use. Open the app, tap once, and you're good to go. Extensive library. Shazam's song database is massive, making it rare to find a song it can't identify. Cross-platform, available on iOS, Android, and even as a desktop app. Cons: occasional misses. Rare tracks or live versions might still stump the app. Ads for free users. The free version includes ads, which can interrupt the experience. Is Shazam still the best song identifier in 2025? Absolutely. While there are competitors, Shazam remains the gold standard for music recognition. Its speed, accuracy, and added features like lyrics and playlist integration keep it at the top. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about a catchy tune, Shazam is still a must-have app. That's it for today's review. What's the most obscure song Shazam has helped you identify? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more app reviews. See you next time.